The S-10 Mini Vise from Bessey is ideal for holding all sorts of round, rectangular, or odd-shaped parts. The non-marring molded jaws hold pieces firmly without damage, and their glue resistance makes it easy to keep them looking and working like new. The 3 5/8 inch wide jaws can clamp parts up to 4 inches deep, and are molded with horizontal and vertical V-notches that securely hold smaller rounds while you work. With the included guide rods in place, the mini vise jaws remain parallel for firm holding of parts with flat faces. The guide rods can be quickly removed or replaced without tools, allowing the jaws to angle and swivel for effective holding of oddly shaped parts and assemblies. The jaws are equipped with holes to accept 6mm pins. These can securely clamp roundwork or hold oddly shaped parts with a delicate touch when needed. Bessey's Mini Vise comes with 2 of their TK6 table clamps that securely fix it to tops up to 2 1/4 inch thick, so you can set up and work anywhere you need to, from garage to house to job site. 2 of the S-10 Mini Vises can be used for holding longer or larger parts that may be hard to hold effectively with other methods. Used in pairs or singly for rugged or delicate work, hobbyists, DIYers, and contractors will find themselves using the Bessey S-10 Mini Vise in many ways and in many places.